Yo, what's good, guys? For today, I think we just have a short little video today. I just wanted to show you guys the exhaust. It's nothing too special. It's just straight pipe from the turbo back. So I have a VRSF callus downpipe, and I have no muffler and then no resonator. So the drone in this car is kind of nuts. It's kind of annoying, but I think it sounds nice. It's an M55. I actually think M55s actually sound really good, even though they're slow. But yeah, I'm about to just show you guys some revs, some flybys, and then throwing in some flame shots. But yeah, right now I have my build mode stage 2 tune on, so it's not gonna be as loud. Like the flame tune will give you those big booms and the huge ass pops. But this tune's pretty loud. I'll show you guys revs in Eco Pro. Holy shit! I'll show you guys revs in Eco Pro, Sport, and Sport Plus, and all that, and I'd show you guys some flybys, and then like some pulls with the windows up and the windows down. But hope you guys like the car. Shouldn't be a long video, but yeah, let's get into it. Your property? We're gonna have you ripping up and down the street. Do we have kids here? So I need you to knock them back. I'll move right now. I need you to knock them back. He wasn't that mad.
Mm-hmm.
Hope you guys liked the video. The last video is actually doing well, like pretty well compared to my other videos. So hope you guys like the content that's coming out. My bad, I literally can't talk. But yeah, she's pretty fucking loud. I'll show you my burble settings right now. My boom mode tune, they're actually like not that big of a difference. 1 second. Eventually for this car, I'm definitely gonna get an exhaust system. Like the drone's just annoying, and then even with just an exhaust system, it just looks better to me personally. But that's just in the future though. That's not probably anytime soon. I personally like the way she sounds right now. It's actually pretty crazy. But you can see, like, this is my flame tune, and you can adjust the settings. I don't know if you can see this shit actually, but I'll try to get in the car 1 second. But yeah, this is the settings for the flame tune. And then we got my other tunes right here. I have my stock tune. I have this tune that I have no idea what it is. I have my boom mode tune. That's the one I'm running right now. And then these are my burble settings. So it's actually quite loud just because it's straight piped. I bet you, like, with the resonator and muffler, it wouldn't be as loud. But yeah, those are all my maps right here. But yeah, that should about do it. Hope you guys liked the video, and hit the like button. Peace, guys.